If you're a chronic snorer or always tired, you need to know what's really going on with your sleep. Here's the science behind all that nighttime noise. Snoring happens when air can't flow freely through your nose and throat while you sleep. The tissues in your airway vibrate, creating that classic snore sound. It's more common if you sleep on your back, have nasal congestion, or carry extra weight. But when snoring gets loud and you actually stop breathing for moments at a time, that's sleep apnea. It means your airway is temporarily blocked, cutting off oxygen and waking you up, sometimes hundreds of times a night. If you snore a lot or wake up tired, don't ignore it. Better sleep could change your life, literally.